Hello everyone! So today's video I'll be restocking my mini fridge. Last video is namalengke ako at nag-grocery. So these are the items that I've bought. Excluded na yung mga nalagay ko na sa cabinet or sa mini pantry namin. So honest review, our mini fridge is a Fuji Denso 2-door mini fridge. Ang liit niya pero ang daming compartment, so very useful siya, maraming malalagay. Ang gusto namin dito is 2-door siya, yung pagkabukas mo hindi yung whole door yung bubuksan, so sa ganung paraan mas save siya. Also compacted talaga siya as in ang liit niya pero maraming laman. Like, kasyang-kasya siya. Tamang-tama siya sa apartment namin. Kasi, as a newlywed couple, nagsistart pa kami. So, nasa apartment pa kami nagre-rent. Hindi masyadong kalakihan. Goods na goods talaga yung Fuji Denso 2-door fridge. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon. Like and follow for more.